everybody, so this is going to be a hair review video from Vanlov.com. I did get some bundles in from them that was sent to me to review for you guys, and I did get some ombre hair, and I did make this into a unit. I got a 4x4 closure in a 16, and then my bundles were 16, 18, and 20. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on, but I do want to show you guys the one con that I do, like, it irks me to the core. So I do have one con, which is the coloring situation. So if you guys can see how like blunt the ombre is, it's like really driving me crazy. Like, I really wish they would have really just blended that ombre in. I don't know why my camera is shaking. Let me zoom in some. So yeah, so that's the only thing that's like really driving me crazy. If you're interested in this makeup look, that will be up soon. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. Another thing, after I put this on, we'll talk about it. So I'm gonna put it on. And another thing that I really have an issue with is this half of the closure would not lay down. I didn't get a chance to bleach my knots, but this part, so this half of the closure, it just won't lay down. And to just get rid of that whole little, like, to not have to deal with it, I've just decided to wear it as a side part. Another thing about this closure is the fact that this closure is extremely thick. So if you're into thick hair, this is definitely going to be something that you're interested in. Again, I was able to get this side to lay down, but this side just won't. So I figured wear it to the side and it'll just give me like that nice little bump. I'm going to move back just so you guys can see better. So this is the hair, and my camera is doing something really weird. I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, so this is the hair. It's soft, it's shiny. I don't have any issues with it. I did restyle this just because after I made the unit, the hair kind of went limp, but it holds a curl really nicely. Like this, it looks like the exact same texture, only the texture was a little like it was really dull. So I just took a bumper curler to it and literally just bumped it a little bit to bring back that curl that it originally had. So yeah, so no shedding from this hair whatsoever. I really do like the thickness of the closure, and it's still on the natural side. So I have all 3 bundles in this, and it's super soft. I don't have any product in it. No shedding so far. And I love the blonde color. I absolutely love this color. I'm just really upset at the fact of how blunt the coloring is. I'm gonna turn around. So it's just like, it's just so, like, the color where it starts is just so blunt. I would have to literally go back in and pretty much just take some of that color up so it kind of blends better. But the hair quality is really nice. Another thing that I can say about this hair is it's thick in the root and then it gets thin at the bottom. So if you're into that, again, this hair is for you. If you're not into that, it's not going to give you like that really full look unless you get more than 3 bundles. But I kind of like my wigs to be on the natural side. Like, I like the density of this right now. It's just, I wish that this hair was a little bit thicker at the bottom, but again, it's not a big deal. The number one thing for me is always shedding, and if this hair can hold a curl, and so far it does. I literally curled this yesterday and it still looks exactly the same. Again, I wish I could have wore this in the middle, but for some reason this closure does not want to lay down. I wet it, I set it, I put the curler to it, a flat iron to it. It just does not want to lay down on this one side, and I'm thinking it's because the closure is so thick. I also had to go in and kind of pluck the front of this closure a little bit because, again, it's extremely thick in the front. But if you're into the thick hair look, this is for you. So let me know what you guys think about this hair. I'm absolutely really feeling it right now. I will try to do a update for you guys as time goes on, and I'll see you guys in my next video.